Hey guys, welcome to Shin's TV channel, and I'm back with another video.
And it goes a little something like
So guys, before we get into this video, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell beside the subscription button to know whenever I upload. Like this video, comment below, because that's only. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me again on my new video. So today video I will be doing a hair review video, and you know I love my hair review videos, and I know you guys love it too. So a company named Nadula, I think I've already done hair. Yeah, I have already worked with them before, and I've always loved their hair, and I still have their hair to this day, and I wear their hair all the time. So I'm so excited for them to reach out again to working with me. So let's get into this hair. It is a 13 by 4. That's an ear to ear, but it's a T-part. So it's not like a full on. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show you how it looks. It is medium brown, natural hair color, and it's 16 inches in body, loose deep wave. So it's like a loose deep wave look. And it is the bag. Oh, so it definitely came with some goodies. Let's look. So first thing is a wig cap. Always amazing when you buy a wig and it comes with a wig cap, because like you can never not need a wig cap for a wig. So anyways, a nude wig cap, which is great. I'm gonna be using that definitely. Oh, okay, I see you. So they gave me a bag with some goodies. That's inside that one. So this is like, I don't know, but this is like it looks like a headscarf, something. Okay. Oh, okay, it's cute, like cheap. So it's a scarf. It is a scarf, so I guess you can tie around your hair or whatever. Lay the lace and whatever. Ooh, okay. And they gave us some really cute lashes. Very cute packaging. Let me get a better look. Ooh, it's mink too. Looks like mink lashes. Very pretty. Definitely happy for this one. So I don't need to be buying lashes all the time. Okay, when my goodies come with lashes, it is great. And then some hair clips, which is great because when you're doing your hair, installing your wig, sometimes you want to clip some hair out of the way and take it out. Ooh, okay. Okay. Trying to get this off, but it's not cooked. It's hooked. Sorry guys. Ooh, it's hooked everywhere. Take this out. So this is, ooh, okay. I am loving the curls. So this is the loose waves. Yeah, so cute. I've never had a loose wave wig before, so this is really cute. And this is the T part. The lace looks pretty good too, and looks pre-plucked to me. You can pluck it more if you want. and the skin, you can see it blends nicely. This is how the 13 by 14 card looks, and it has 3 combs, 2 at the side, 1 at each side, and 1 at the back, a little mesh at the back, and then the little mesh to ear. So you can still lay your lace from ear to ear. Only thing is that you will have no parting space basically no parting space, just a little T-rod. So you can only wear this wig in where the space is. All right. So far, I think the hair, it looks really good. This is the edges, and it looks really nicely done and weft in there. Pretty good, looks really natural, and I can tell that this hair is gonna be beautiful on me. So let's watch me install this beauty. It looks so beautiful. So far, you guys saw me like brushing it. I did not get any shedding, and I put the mousse in it. This mousse in it, it kind of gave it a wet, kind of curly. I don't know. It's still wavy, but it gave it more like of a water wave when I put the mousse in it. I kind of prefer, I don't know, I like both, but I feel like I prefer the water, the loose wave look. So maybe when it dries a little bit more, it will get that loose wave look. You can see there is no shedding whatsoever. in this beautiful hair. Guys, this hair is definitely a 10 out of 10 for me. You see there's no cons so far. I've seen no cons. I haven't washed it here yet, but I haven't seen any cons with what and how I style it and what I did to it. I did not bleach it, I did not do all of that, but I'm pretty sure this is 100% quality hair and you can bleach and do all of that good stuff. And yeah, so guys, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this video, comment below, share, subscribe if you have not, hit the notification button beside the subscription button to know whenever I upload, and see you on the next one. Bye.